likes that. I was straight. But I'm gonna be fine. Been there, done that.
I feel like this store is like their Walmart because I've seen it so many times.
Where are we going, Mace?
We're going to Billa.
It's like a grocery store. They're really small here, but it reminds me of like a Dollar General, but they have homemade bread and a lot of other really cool, nice stuff. So, drinks. Drinks are required. Mace, where are we going today?
Oh, we're going to Prague. And tonight we have our river cruise. So that should be fun.
So, trying to film a little bit here before we leave, but the river cruise is going to be a lot of fun. So we're going to try to take a lot of videos and pictures there because we literally have a 5-hour drive to Prague. We don't have anything else going on. So that's kind of our plan for today. Tell them how your nap was. Just go ahead, spill it. What?
We're at lunch and there's a spot where you can feed goats for only €1. So I'm gonna feed
Macy
some
wants
goats.
to feed the goats.
Sadie.
We're actually in the middle of the Czech Republic. Yeah, in the middle of nowhere. So anyway, time for lunch. Finally made it to Prague. We are waiting to get checked in to our hotel. Macy's being obnoxious. She took a nap and now she has like all of the energy in the world. So I don't know what her problem is. But anyway. This is our hotel room. Quite small, featuring Iron Man and Stormtrooper. So we have 30 minutes and then we're going downtown and then we have our boat cruise tonight. Super excited. First impressions of the Czech Republic. It's a beautiful place. It has a lot of buildings. It's a lot bigger than all the other places we've been to. But I'm definitely looking forward to going downtown. I saw, as we were coming into the city, I saw a lot of steeples, saw a lot of churches, so I really don't know what all is going to be in the city center, but I'm definitely looking forward to it. We've got just about 25 minutes before we have to be back down, and then from the city center, we're actually not coming back to the hotel, but we're going to the river cruise tonight. So we had to do 2 takes to try to get into the room because our key cards failed us. But we're on the 5th floor. We got a great view. I say great view. It's better than the last couple of hotels that we've had. We've been kind of shortchanged on our views. But yeah, super excited and see you downtown. How many tours do you do a year? This is Frederick, our tour guide. How many tours do you do a year?
So actually this year is gonna be my busiest year. This year I'm having 8 tours locked in. I could have done a new substitution on Tuesday, but I graciously turned that one down. But yeah, I will have probably up to 10 tours this year. Something like 115 to 120 days working.
Wow. So do you, as far as our group goes, has our group been good, or like better than average or worse than average?
Nah, definitely better than average. Everybody what I realized, your group, everybody knows each other from before, and that helps a lot. I've had people on the bus, probably shouldn't say that, but yeah, they got into fights about politics, about religion. I've had shouting matches on the bus, just to get you an idea of what can happen.
Oh my goodness.
And this one was just the easiest ever.
Awesome. Well, it's been great fun having you. We have, what, 1 day left? And then
1.5 days left. Yeah, we've got the optional tonight and then the entire day tomorrow, but we're leaving very early on Sunday, so it's going to be an early night tomorrow.
Nice. Somebody out here is barbecuing, and the smell is...
That smells.
The cruise, babe?
It was so fun. I had a lot of fun. It was good.
We're going back to the hotel. We're going to sleep. We'll see y'all tomorrow.